2 months into the new year, what's going on in Spanish Trail? We're going to get you up to date right now. The Spanish Trail numbers are in for February 2026, and I've got 4 points that I want to share with you today that I think are relevant as you're thinking about either buying or selling a property in the community or leaving the community. So here's a couple of things to think about. The first thing is available inventory is down right now. It's down 20% from a good amount of where it was in 2025. There's only 52 units on the market. It's been that way, low 50s for the last 3 months since the end of the year. So we're not really seeing supply grow in Spanish Trail. That's good if you're thinking about selling or you're on the market trying to sell. Less competition means fewer choices and maybe a better chance to sell. The median list price, though, is moving in the wrong direction, both for houses and condos. Since August of last year, we watched the median list price for both houses and condos kind of go down. For houses, it was back at 1.26 million back in August of last year, had a spike up in November and December, but has progressively been going down, where this month, the median list price in Spanish Trail for a single-family residence is $1 million. Now, we think that's probably exceptionally low. It was 1.189 last month and 1.29 the month before that. So a sizable drop of a couple hundred to $300,000 in the last couple months probably is just the mix or makeup of properties, but definitely over the last few months, we're seeing a trend down. Same thing for condos from 575 back in August. Now this month they record in list price 537.5. So both those are down. Now, one thing that is happening though, even though listings were down, we're seeing listings with new listings that are being added both in January and February. 16 and 20 were added to the market. That suggests that listing inventory may continue to accelerate or grow in the weeks and months ahead. The under contract properties, pretty stable. There's anywhere from 5 to 8 properties under contract in Spanish Trail at any given time. That's been that way now for about the last year. But good news, new escrows added in the month. There were 11 in February, only 3 in January, but 11 is the highest number we see in a given month for the last 12 months. So that suggests that Spanish Trail may be seeing more activity as we move forward. Last, regarding closed units, we saw 7 units close in Spanish Trail last month. And regarding the prices of those closed units, for a single-family residence, the individual monthly median price for those 7 properties was $1.47 million. That's a big bump up of almost $300,000 just month over month. If we look at it over the last few months, though, we think that the median sales price of Spanish Trail is closer to $1.1 million. And for condos, well, last month it recorded in at a median price of $450,000. Again, much too low for what's been going on. We find that median price probably around $525,000. Hope this has been helpful. We'll see you again next month.